See how to replace Whirlpool washer door lock. First, remove the front panel. There are 2 screws to unscrew. Apply some pressure on the panel to remove it. Unscrew the screws holding the door panel. Remove the wires from the old door switch. Unscrew the screw holding the door switch. First, install the new door switch, then reconnect the wires. Place back the screws holding the door panel. Place the front panel back. Align it with the frame and pull slightly upwards. Then, place back the screws at the bottom of the panel. Please like and subscribe for more helpful videos. You can find all the parts you need at our website.